How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update for Euro versus US dollar, EU. And as we can see today on Thursday, we got a large dynamic candle here after getting a small range candle. Price is trading up and taking out a swing high where buy side liquidity is resting. If the market is bullish, like I said before, you're going to most likely be targeting swing highs. If the market is bearish, you're most likely going to be targeting swing lows. If you're bullish, you're targeting the buy side liquidity above the swing high. If you're bearish, you're targeting the sell side liquidity below swing lows. And we'll talk about that with the DXY as well. But ever since we got that higher swing low, that's what HSL stands for, higher swing low, that's where the commercials are most likely repositioning themselves to go long. So whenever we get that retracement after breaking a swing high, we're waiting for that higher swing low to potentially go long, finding some type of long opportunity below Sunday's opening price, midnight opening price, or London or New York opening price themselves. But all in all, we can see how this bullish month is unforming. It's just creating higher swing lows and higher swing lows and targeting the swing high formations that have buy side liquidity above it. If we take a look inversely as well to the DXY, because we've been calling a weaker dollar in stronger foreign currency, so we can see how after that lower swing high, LSH, lower swing high, we see price trade up into that fair value gap, into that retracement, two up close candles, most likely where the commercials are repositioning themselves to go net short or increasing their net shorts. And you can see the result of that, price dropping down, taking out that first draw that we had on price here on that candle on Wednesday. And then today on Thursday, we got that daily candle that runs all the way down and takes out that swing low as well. Whenever price takes out a swing low, I am cautious of a pullback or retracement or potential change in trend. So price could now change back bullish. Many people are asking me based on the seasonality chart, we can see that June starts off bearish for dollar and then it turns back bullish. Price may not even follow that. Price may continue going lower because I see these double bottoms here or triple bottoms or just bottoms in general where retail traders will look at this as some type of support zone. So price should come down here and then bounce off and go higher. I'm looking at that as I want sell side liquidity below the swing lows if price is still going to continue going lower. If price does switch back to being bullish, you'll know the signs. You'll see a swing high most likely broken. Not this one here, but there might be a lower swing high formation that's broken earlier, and then we'll be able to gauge that and see if the trend has changed. Same thing, like I said, vice versa. If we're looking at EU and this trend was going to change and go back to being bearish, because the seasonal chart as well suggested that EU was going to start off bullish for the month of June, and then somewhere along the lines throughout the month it was going to switch back bearish. That may not be the case either, but we looking for signs for price breaking a swing low on the higher time frame. Now that could be on the 4-hour if you want to go on a lower time frame and try and catch the turn earlier, but normally me, Deontay speaking, I like to use the daily to gauge whether or not I'm bullish or bearish. If we look at this from a 1-hour perspective, the DXY, you can see our price was at one point above Sunday's opening price. We can see the high of the week was Monday. So it comes in on Monday. So I tell people all the time, either these 3 days are going to be the high of the week if you are bearish. And we can see it was Monday. So that was really nice to see. We got that sell-off, price breaking down, taking out that first draw here and that second draw here. So that's what you're seeing there on the daily, but transcribed on the 1-hour. Exactly the same thing here. So if we go back here, that's what you're seeing here for that week. Price breaking down all the way from Monday here. Monday was the high of the week, as you can see. And ever since then, price continued breaking down. That's what you see here. Monday was the up close day, green day. And after that green day, sell, 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 sell. Right. Vice versa. If we were to look at Euro, we can see here, price takes out that first swing high and that second swing high here. We can see here, Sunday is actually the low of the week. So normally not an ideal scenario. Either want it to be Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. When bullish, these days should be making the low of the week. And as you can see, price continues to target higher. I've essentially been showing you exactly how to swing trade. I've been meaning to get to a video of showing, the things I use to gauge the swing trade, but day to day, I'm showing you exactly how to find a bullish or bearish trend. And this month is just playing out very beautifully. We can see how price is going higher. Last month, I believe we did AU and we were stuck in a little bit of consolidation. And as you can see now, foreign currencies are breathing. So if you were to look at AU just briefly, just to cross-reference, because EU and AU are directly correlated, we can see here, May, we didn't really get much. Like I said, we were stuck in our range for AU. And then now you can see for June how price is taking off. Also, another tip, anytime you're in a bullish trend, you just wait for one down day or a down week and you buy after that. Now, I'm not going to tell you about TP or stop loss or risk parameters. Those things you can look into yourself because it's free information out there for you to search. But you can see the same thing here for GU. So if you just mark it off on June, you can see here, down close here, price is still bullish. So here you can see Thursday, another large day up. So foreign currencies are still gaining strength for sure. If we now were to look at UCAD, something that's inversely correlated, and we mark off June here, that's June, the start of June. You can see our price opens here and drops immediately, but anytime we got an up close candle, what was met after? Selling. Sell, 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 up close, sell, up close, sell, up close. Oh, this is the new candle that's forming right now for Friday. But you can see here today, Thursday, price broke down after getting what? A small body up close candle in a bearish trend. Because if dollar's weak, that means Canadian dollars gaining strength, dollar's dropping. So UCAD, the pair itself, should be selling. So you got to up close, sell. Larry Williams suggested if you're going to find dynamic and large fruitful days, wait for a small day that's counter trend, and counter trend would be up because this is clearly bearish. Counter trend up, look at that sell off right there. Beautiful. If we look at Swissy as well, go back to June, or we have it marked off already. Go back to June, you can see how it's breaking down as well. It may not look exactly the same, but the ideas and principles still follow suit. So hopefully this was insightful. I'm still standing with a bullish stance on foreign currencies. So EU, I'm still bullish. Dollar, I'm still bearish. Peace.